guys, so I'm going to try to do this. I'm going to try to talk over the wind noise. If it doesn't work, then what we're going to do is just come back and I will do a voiceover. But both of these cars we painted ourselves. Andrew had a hand in painting the red and silver car, and also in his car. I think in my car I had a total of like $800 in paint or so. What did you end up with, Andrew, on yours?
Probably about the same.
Yeah, so he ended up with about $800 or so. $700 or $800 in paint, and obviously a lot of time in doing this. These are the 0304 Cobra wheels from LMR on the car. I've had a few people ask about it, so you can pick these up as a kit, mounted, balanced, and ready to go for like $950. Oh yeah, and spacers, guys. Remember, if you're going to run these, run a 5/16 spacer on the front. Don't have to do that on the back, but Andrew has it anyway. Now, we have not painted the metal here yet, and we have not restored these. We may actually do that at some point. I'm not 100% sure. All the trim up here, he's resprayed all of that. It just really makes the car look good. I mean, guys, if you step back, just look at that contrast between the black and the white. It just makes it look crispy. It's the same thing on my car. If you let this stuff fade out and start turning white, then you're going to notice it a mile away. We did get rid of the one-piece headlights, obviously, as you guys have seen. We actually burned those. I think I have some footage of that. One-piece headlight smoke. Don't breathe that. So yeah, that's what we think of the one-piece headlights. What we did on his emblems was we just took his emblems and we polished them out. So save those. Did the same thing back here. That's the original emblem, and we just polished it out. It's got a little bit of overspray we need to get off. We'll probably restore his tail lights and whatnot. Anyway, guys, we're not going to go over the whole budget, the whole ins and outs of all this stuff. I just really wanted to show you this and let you know Andrew's thoughts after painting his own car. I think overall Andrew is pleased with what we've gotten accomplished. It's a lot of hard work, guys. It's a lot of hard work, but he did it, and I think he's happy, and I'm happy for him because we got it done. Now, we are not done yet. We still have to paint under the fender wells. We still have a couple little runs. It's a project's never finished anyway, so it's no big deal. Anyway, I'm going to try to get you guys a little bit of drone footage, and we're going to go ahead and wrap this video up. And as always, thanks for watching.
Like I built this town, steps so light, I barely touch the ground. And everybody wants to know how, brick by brick, I put them in the ground. Walk like I built, walk like I built this. I do it for my people, family business, and everybody wants to know how. Take a good look, you are now witness.
Wake up, wake up. It's a brand new day. I got a fresh breath and a full plate. Wake up, up. This is not a game. I'll take my fresh breath and go my own way. This is what I live for. This is what I live for. This is what I live for. This is what I live for.
All right, guys, so this portion of the video will be after the reveal of Andrew's car, but it's actually before. Anyway, what I wanted to do was talk to you guys about how to cut these door seals down here, the weather stripping, and put them in the car correctly. Because if you don't cut these things right, once these things heat up, they're going to start separating. So as you can see, this is what you're left with, like this. And what you don't want to do is try to cut these things even right here. So don't cut them off even. What you want to do is leave yourself a little bit of overhang like this, and then start forcing everything back. Now, the problem we have is Andrew's already put everything back in the car, so we're not going to have a lot of room to be able to push all this stuff back. But either way, I just wanted to show you real quick like how you need to address this. And you can cut these obviously with just a razor blade. Most everybody knows how to do this, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you anyway. There is metal strips in here, so you want to be able to cut in between. So then all you want to do is just force it in like this, work your way back. So that's it, guys. Just a little small tech tip for you. Every little bit helps. So if you're ever wondering, you want to cut about that much off. If you've not put everything back together, then you can just force the the extra backup around the car. So that's that. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the reveal of Andrew's car. I hope it turned out good, because obviously we've not shot it yet. So also in an upcoming video, you're going to see one of our subscribers' cars that he painted himself in his garage. And guys, this thing looks really good. So please, when you see that video come up, watch it. I'm super impressed. He sent me a bunch of pictures and a bunch of info on it, so it's going to be really cool guys. So that'll be in the next video, and as always, thanks for watching.